In October, we took a family trip to Hawaii for a week. It was my fourth time in Hawaii, but it was my first time staying in Maui for so long. Today, I will share with you my 8 vacation looks from Maui. This season, I couldn't help but join the 18th one-piece swimsuit trend. For family vacation, I picked this Marisa swimsuit from Norma Camilli. It was my first time trying a high-cut leg style, and I love it. The style of the swimsuit really has an elongating, slimming effect. In being a mom and needing to pack for 2 kids, I love that I could easily wear the swimsuit in many ways. I pair it with shorts for a day at adventure and a skirt for a day at the beach. Maui, an iconic romantic vacation destination, calls for a fluffy silky dress. This off-the-shoulder Mugler Georgette dress is made out of silk, so it is very soft and cool. I love the skinny leather belts come with the dress. For shoes, I went with my super comfortable Gladiator from Chanel. The white shirts outfit is always one of the most memorable looks of many movie holiday scenes. Long shirts in oversized style are a perfect fit for walk along the beach at dawn or late afternoon. When I travel, I always pack a sport legging to work out outside or go to the hotel gym. Because of the hot weather in Maui, I choose the Burberry biker shorts with a trending logo maniac element. They are comfortable and very easy in mix and match. I highly recommend Lisa Marie's fairy swimsuit if you enjoy water sports. This piece definitely accentuated women's curve and does a great job keeping you warm in the ocean and very comfortable to wear. I also won a red one and went night kayaking in Puerto Rico Bio Bay. One of the things I love to do as a mom is coordinating outfits with my kids. On our Hawaii family shopping outing, I went with a peachy pink theme. My lead blush dress is from Love Chic Fancy. This brand has a vintage romantic style with many fluffy dresses, lace and chiffon, and they also have lots of cute mother-daughter outfits. This really fun flowery off-the-shoulder bikini set is from Caroline Constance. What makes the Andro bikini set so special is that you can dress it up or down. The coordinating maxi skirts along with the removable voile sleeves make it very convenient to put on if you decided to go out right after the beach. This is truly the perfect island outfit. Little Parisian style. A black and white straight pants is one of the most timeless pieces in a lot of brands' resort collection. I pair this pant with a black bodysuit to make it simple and effortless. I would also suggest pairing this pants with any black swimsuit or bikini top. For my last look, I call this amazing Chloe dress my goddess gown. This dreamy ivory crepe piece has beautiful textured gold shoulders and sleeves. Shimmering, blowy, and long dresses in natural color tones are great for a romantic sunset scene. It was cloudy and raining every day after the second day we arrived, but luckily we caught the last sunset before leaving the island. Such a perfect trip ending. I hope the story has you excited to shop for your next beach getaway. Follow me on ModeSens for more outfit suggestions and inspirations to come. Love you guys, bye!